And as you can see, those lamps came in black lampshade and they come in the white as well. The, the black, I like the white. I didn't think I would like the black, but actually I like the black better. I'm actually going to come back, guys, when I start doing the white lampshades. And they're not going to have a face, but they're going to be very pretty. So stay tuned for that video. You ever go in the store and walk in the store and you know your eyes, you have in mind what you want to buy from the store, but if you like do certain crafts, your eye is drawn right to something that you use. My eyes always automatically drawn to bling wrap. I don't care where I am. I can just walk down the aisle and not even looking for bling wrap, and it'll just catch my eye and like a light bulb will go off. I don't buy it, but a light bulb will go off. She didn't shrink up too much. I don't need. Oh, yes, I do. It's perfect. Right amount of bling. Okay. The person this is for, I know she's watching. She's a lively lady, too. And y'all want to know something? I had gotten rid of a lot of crafts. And I had these little red roses. And they would go in the Goodwill bag. And then I would take them back out. And then I would put them back in. And I would take them back out. But these are those roses. And that's what I'm going to put on here. And they work perfect. And I'm glad I didn't throw them out. I have done lamps with full-size flowers, but for this one, I'm going to do the mini flowers. They look better. We down to the finish line. Down to the finish line. One more piece of mesh. I can get rid of this. I am going to poke one hole just to secure her to the bottom. Just to secure that to the bottom. And you won't see it because when I'm done, I'm going to glue it and I'm going to cut the pipe cleaner off. So I poked a little hole. Stick the pipe cleaner through. Dab some hot glue in that spot. Pull the pipe cleaner through. Hold it. This piece of pipe cleaner is going to get glued down to the front, so it's going to be secure. And you can put right in between the bling so you know it's going to stay because it's going to be glued on where the trim is. And apply pressure, just that piece that's underneath, that pipe cleaner that's in there. I don't know if you can see it. There it is. Right there. That's going to be snipped off. Dab a piece of glue, dab of glue, a little bit in there. See? Now we add flowers and she's done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 flowers. We're going to pick off of here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can be generous with your glue. We're going to put one in the center right here of the mesh. This is fabric mesh. I love it. One in the center up top. And you can place your flowers wherever you want. She didn't even have to have flowers. You can put rhinestones. Um, you can leave her plain. It's up to you. Guess what, guys? She's done. She is finito. Finito. She is finished. And here she is. Here she is on the lampshade. Okay, she's in our way. I just wanted you guys to see that it's a pair. So this is Cynthia from Cynthia's Creations. Please hit the like and subscribe button. Please share this video. And I will see you on the next one. God bless.